Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I compared a less expensive alcohol ink to a more expensive alcohol ink, and hopefully this video will help prove that we'll just get to it. I hope you guys enjoy. Hopefully this video will prove that if you spend a little bit more money on your alcohol ink, that you will get better results. I compared PINATA, which is the new alcohol ink, and RESIN, which is the alcohol ink that I had for a while. Whatever. Okay. So I chose 6 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I chose 5 colors, and each one I had a RESIN and a PINATA for. A PINATA color. So for pink, I had dark pink in RESIN, and then Senorita Magenta, Mantilla black and black, Baja blue, and blue. And then these are both sapphire blue, which was pretty cool. We get to compare those. Sunbright yellow and yellow. Purple and passion purple. So I did two. Let's just, yeah. We'll just get to it. I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I hope it helps. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I hope it helps if you want to decide to get a little bit more of a expensive alcohol ink. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe. I post videos every Sunday and Thursday. Well, I post videos every Thursday and Sunday, or at least I try to. Let's just get on with it, right? Okay, let's do this. This is Let's Resin, and this is Pinata. See how they turned out? I even put the accidental white marks. And there's an accidental yellow mark too. You can just see the difference in the colors. That's all. Okay, I'm gonna do Let's Resin first. We'll save Pinata for last, since that's the new one. Alright. I'm excited to see how they turned out. Oh wow. That actually looks pretty cool. But yeah, the colors blend together a lot. I see purple, blue, and pink. What other colors did I have? I had yellow in this. You see like one spot of yellow. This is the one that I dripped everything in the same spot. It's pretty cool. I'm shaking. Okay, next. This is the random, we put the ink in all random spots. I think all of the colors are in this, so let's see. Oh wow, that actually... Wow, that was so loud, but it's cool. You see most of the colors except for yellow again. Just a little spot of yellow. Oh, and over there. But that one looks pretty cool. Yeah. The Let's Resin ones turned out okay. Okay, so yeah, those ones, that set of ink, that ink comes with 30 or 29, and it was like $30. And the other one, you get the Pinata, you get 17 of them for $70. So let's see. Wow. Okay, well, you see the yellow that popped out at me right away. Oh wow. That looks so cool. They both look pretty cool. Pinata. And then Let's Resin. Okay, let's do this one. I'm excited for this one. Oh wow. These ones turned out pretty cool too. Purple took over. Oh no, I guess that's alright. It's alright. It's still pretty. I love it. I love them both. Pinata. alcohol ink. I mean, let's resin alcohol ink. Let me know what you guys thought. Oh man, oh man. I'm making a mess. Let me know what you guys thought. So, I don't know if there was like a difference. I feel like it's just like the shades that are different. I really like that these are a lot brighter, and you can definitely see the yellow in this one. It looks a little more green, like it turned green over here, but you can definitely see more yellow than you did in this one. Like it just popped out at me in this one. And then I love what both of these did, like that technique, I guess, because both of the alcohol ink on the edges, so I guess purple, it looks like mostly purple. I think I added resin after a little bit, so it spread it out a little bit. I really like that. But I don't know, they turned out cool. I think I might make something with these. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe. I upload every Thursday and Sunday. See you next time.